Welcome to Rocklin's Community Map. This web map allows users to view many City of Rocklin GIS datasets, including parcels, transportation, and utility information. This video covers navigating the map, searching by address or APN, displaying map layers, switching your base map, and using widgets. Many of the navigation functions can be done using your mouse by dragging, scrolling, and double-clicking. You can use the map's navigation panel to zoom in and out of the map, or click the Home button to return to full city extent. The default for an address search is set to include Esri's World Geocoder. Esri's Geocoder will search for all matching results, even if the address lies outside the city limits. You can contain your search to a Rocklin address by pointing the search bar to Rocklin's address search. If you would like to search by APN, point the search bar to Assessor's Parcel Number. We'll do a quick APN search. To display map layers, we must first click on the Map Layers icon. The layers are grouped by categories. To turn on a layer, first select the category, expand the list, and select your layer. Some layers are set to turn on by default. If you don't wish to see this layer, unselect it from the list. Some layers are set to be scale dependent. This means the layer will only display within an appropriate range. If the layer is grayed out and not displaying, even though you have selected it, try zooming into the map. To get more information on your layer, click on the map and view the pop-up, or open the attribute table to view the information tied to your feature. From the attribute table, I can filter my results, hide columns, and export to CSV. I'll do a quick export of the attributes in my map extent. By default, Esri's topographic base map displays when you first launch the map. If you would like to view other base maps, like the City of Rocklin's aerial imagery, click the base map gallery icon and select the base map you are interested in. The map's widgets are located on the bottom of the screen. Here, with an ArcGIS online account, we can add data tied to your login. I'll go ahead and add parks. The Select tool allows you to select multiple features at once. Here, I'll scroll down to Parcels, zoom into the map, select Parcels, choose to select by polygon, and select a group of features. From here, I can run statistics, view in the attribute table, or export to CSV. I'll do a quick export. The Draw tool allows you to customize and mark up the map. First, I'll draw a polygon around my area of interest. Then I'll add a drop pin and increase my symbol size. Finally, I'll add some text. As you can see, it is pretty easy to mark up the map. The Measure tool allows you to measure area, distance, and gather latitude and longitude information. First, I'll gather area in square feet. Then I'll gather distance, and I'll change my units to feet. Finally, I'll gather latitude and longitude information. The Share widget allows you to share the map's URL, embed the app in a website, as well as share via email, Facebook, Twitter, and Google+. The Print widget connects to a printing service which allows the current map to print. From the widget, you can change the map's title, layout, and format. The default settings will create a PDF of your map's extent that can be printed. I'll go ahead and create a quick map. That was a quick tour of Rocklin's community map. For additional questions, please see the Frequently Asked Questions document located on the City of Rocklin's GIS webpage, or contact the GIS division at gissupport@rocklin.ca.us.